I'm going to talk about occurring patterns. So for now, there's a La Nina advisory, but the La Nina is going to fade away and turn into Enso neutral, which is expected February to April 2026, which has a 60% chance. It's gonna with Enso neutral conditions, like it likely persisting through the northern hemisphere's summer, it has like 56% chance in June to August with 2026, summer of 2026. So let's talk about our current pattern. So there's gonna be new updated March 12th, March 10th actually. So there is no weather warning. So let's look at pressure pattern and zoom out to southern Ontario, which is so 1024, 1020, 1016, 1012 millibars of pressure. Let's go to next 24 hours. So 1004, 1008 millibars and 1012 millibars and 1000 millibars of pressure. Let's go to next hour, which is 7 p.m. 1008, 1004, 1008 millibars of pressure. Let's go to 24 hours after that. It is 7 p.m. There is nothing else. So let's go to 7 p.m. 1012, 1008 millibars of pressure. There's also 1016. So let's go to precipitation pattern, which is so Lionshead obey wartime boiled in Hanover, Collingwood, Niagara Lake, Niagara Falls City. It's going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, 7 p.m. So Niagara Lake, Niagara Falls City, Port Elgin, no, Hanover is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 10 p.m. So Niagara Lake, Niagara Falls City is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. 7 a.m. There is nothing else. 10 a.m. There's nothing else. 1 p.m. There's nothing else. 4 p.m. There's nothing else. So there's something. Actually, line said, oh, Boy Elgin is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 7 p.m. Line said, oh, Wartown, Boy Elgin, Hanover, Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Solid Bay, Midland is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 10 p.m. Soloway, Midland, Adela, Betty, Virginia, Beverly Hills, Niagara, Lake Niagara Falls City, Hamilton, Oakville, Sissaga, Brampton, Orangeville, Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Ipswich, Cobourg, Peterborough, Belleville. The cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall on the so line said, oh, Bay, White, Sampo, Elgin, Hanover, Thunder Beach, Palm Beach is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall, actually 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 7 a.m. Line said, oh, Bay, White, Sampo, Elgin, Hanover, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, Bay, Midland, Adela, Bay, Virginia, Beverly Hills, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Ipswich, Cobourg, Peterborough, Belleville, Niagara, Niagara Falls City, Newmarket. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So let's go to next hour. Let's go to next hour, 10 a.m. So let's see if the mic is working. The mic is working actually. So let's go to our so line said, oh, be white town, bomb bees, sunny beach, Southern Bay, Midland, la, Coburg, Peterborough, Belleville, Saga, Brampton, Orangeville, Toronto, Newmarket, parts of Scarborough, which is southwestern. Niagara Falls City, parts of it, so which is most part of it. So those are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. 1 p.m. So, line said, obey white temple Elgin, Bombi, Stanby, Salaby, Milan, Alala, Belville, Coburg, Naganaling, Nagrafal City, Hamilton, Oracle, Saga, Brampton, Orange Water, only market, Scarborough. It's going to get some, goodbye. It's going to get some 0.25 millimeters as far. Let's go to 4 p.m. So, line said, White Temple in Hannover, Bombi, Sunby, Salaby, Milan, Orla, Hamilton, Oakville, Saga, Brampton, Orange Hall, Ontario, only market, Scarborough, Naga, Lake Naga, City, those cities are going to get some 0.25 millimeters as far. So, only market. Parts of Niagara Falls City is going to get some 2.5 millimeters as far. Next up, 7 p.m. 7 p.m. So Hopes Bay, Whitetown, Boylston, Hanover, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, Salaby, Milan, La Berry, Scarborough, which is parts of it, Niagara Falls City. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters as far. Let's go to next tower. No, not this time. It's the orange was gonna get some 0.25 millimeters as far. London. Let's go to next tower, which is 10 p.m. So, via Tampa, Elgin, Hanover, Oshawa, Uxbridge, those cities are gonna get Beverly Hills is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters as far. Let's go to next tower, which is that's wrong timing before it's 10 p.m. So let's do this hour again twice. So Wyaton, not Wyaton, Pearls in Hanover, Orella, Berry, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Stouffle, Newmarket, Orangeville. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters as far. Let's go to next hour, which is 10 p.m. It is 7 a.m. This is actual one. So Wyatt, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Berry, Georgia, Beverly Hills. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters as far. Let's go to 10 a.m., which is Collingwood, Palm Beach, Berry, Georgia, Peterborough. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters as far. Let's go to 1 p.m. Collingwood, Baedi, Georgia, Peterborough is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters as far. Let's go to 4 p.m. Collingwood, and there's nothing. 7 p.m. There is nothing else. 10 p.m. There's nothing else. 7 a.m. There's nothing else. 10 a.m. There's nothing else. 1 p.m. There's nothing else. 4 p.m. There's nothing else. 7 p.m. Nothing else. 10 p.m. There's nothing else. Let's go back to something is extra hour. There is actually nothing else. So let's stop at 1 or 8 hours. That's around 11. So let's look at total precipitation 24 hours. I'm gonna put bookmark. So let's go to 7 p.m. Hopesby, line said, via time, Poyojin, Hanover, those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters. No, 1 millimeters of rainfall. Collingwood 0.7. Palm Beach is gonna get some 0.3 millimeters. Thunder Beach 0.4 millimeters. 0.3, no, 0.5 is going to be Thunder Beach, so 0.3 millimeters. Inland's gonna get some 0.3 or 0.3 millimeters. 0.3 millimeters. Berry, Niagara Falls City 0.7. Niagara on the Lake is 0.6 millimeters. Let's go to next hour, which is 24 hours after that. So Whiteham 5 millimeters, Collingwood 4 millimeters, 5 millimeters, Brampton, Mississauga 5 millimeters, that's another 5 millimeters. Everywhere is actually in Toronto is going to be, everywhere in Toronto is going to be 5 millimeters. Newmarket, Orangeville 5 millimeters, Uxbridge 5 millimeters, Oshawa 5 millimeters, Peterborough 4 millimeters, Coburg 5 millimeters, 5 millimeters, Belleville, Hamilton 5 millimeters, Oakville 4 millimeters, Hamilton 4 millimeters, everywhere in Niagara Falls 4.5 millimeters. London. Boyles in Hanover 4 millimeters. Line said Bay is going to be 5 millimeters. Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, it's going to be 5 millimeters. Solid Bay 6 millimeters. Midland 6 millimeters. Solid 6 millimeters. Fabulous Betty is gonna be 5 millimeters. Georgina is gonna be 5 millimeters. 4 millimeters of rainfall. So the last going to be 5 millimeters of rainfall. So let's go to 4 millimeters, and that's no 5 millimeters in order last. So let's go to next where it is 1 millimeter off. So this making a difference. So lowest precipitation is going to be 3 millimeters. Actually, 3 millimeters. So heaviest precipitation is going to be 4 millimeters of rainfall. So let's go to next hour, which is 7 p.m. So Y temp 0.7 Boyles in Hanover, 0.7 Collingwood, 1 millimeters, Betty 1 millimeters, Thunder Beach 0.7, Solid Bay 0.6, Midland 0.6, 1 millimeters of rainfall is in Olala. Georgia, Bablia ISO 0.7, 0.7, so both cities. So Betty is gonna be 0.9, no, 1 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to next hour. No, not this time. So it's going to be 0.2 millimeters of rainfall. Ooks with 1 millimeters of rainfall. Brampton, Orangewood, down which or Newmarket, Richmond Hill is going to get some 0.3 millimeters of rainfall. So Coburg is going to get some 0. No, it's going to be 0.7 millimeters. Peterborough is going to get some. Peterborough is going to get some 0.7 millimeters of rainfall. So Oakville, Hamilton is going to be 0.2 millimeters of rainfall. So Lionshead will be 0.6, no, 0.5 millimeters, 0.6 actually most of the time. So let's go to Belvoir, London. So let's go to next hour, which is 24 hours after that. Oh, let's go too far. There is nothing else. So let's look at total snowfall, which will display by summary. So let's look at stuff from 7 p.m. So Whiteton is 1 centimeters, Collingwood is 0.7, Brampton was 0.1, Newmarket is 0.2, Uxbridge is 0.2, Oshawa is 0.1, Peterborough is 0.1, Coburg 0.1, everywhere is in Niagara Falls 0.5 centimeters, London whatever, Boyles in 1.2 centimeters, Hanover is gonna get some 1.1 centimeters, Hope's Bay is 1.0, no 1.1 centimeters, 0.9, Lionshead is gonna get some 1.1 centimeters in Lionshead. So let's go to next tower. Let's not yet. 0.5 is in Palm Beach, Thunder Beach 0.6 centimeters, Solid Bay 0.4, Midland 0.4, Orilla 0.3. So against Y. Let's go to next tower. 0.3 centimeters in Northberry. So let's go to next tower, which is gonna take a while. Okay, now we can go to next hour, which is February 25th. So Warrington 4.9 centimeters, Collingwood 4.2 centimeters, Brampton 5.2, Mississauga is gonna be 4.8. 4.8 centimeters, Toronto 5.4, Scarborough 5.4, Stouffville 5.4, Newmarket 4.8, Orangeville is gonna get some 4.8 centimeters, Uxbridge 4.4, Oshawa 4.5, Peterborough 5. Let's do Peterborough again. So Peterborough is going to be 4 centimeters, 4.8 centimeters in Coburg, it's 4.5 in Belleville, Hamilton for 3.7, Oakville's 3.6. So Mississauga is going to be 3.8 centimeters. It's in Oakville, Mississauga borderline. So same thing as Mississauga. Oakville has same precipitation mountain. So Niagara on the lake is 4.4, 4 point, no, this 4 centimeters, 5.3 is in Niagara Falls City, so Boreals is going to be 4.3. Nowhere is going to get some 4.5 centimeters. Line said Obey is going to get some 5 centimeters of rain. Saying snowfall. Bomb beat, thunder beat is going to be 5 centimeters. Solid Bay is 6.3. Itland is going to get some 6.1 centimeters. Olala is going to get some 4.9. So 4.9, 5.2 centimeters. So let's go to Betty. Betty is going to get some 4.6 centimeters in Betty. So Beverly Hills is going to get some 4 centimeters. Georgina is going to get some. So Georgina is going to get some borderline like a darkest gray. So it's going to be 3.7 centimeters in Georgia. Let's go to next tower, London. Let's go to next tower, which is Whiteton's 0.8 centimeters. Collingwood is 1.0 centimeters. Brampton 0.3. Mississauga Downton Downton 0.2. Scarborough 0.2. Stouffville 0.2. Newmarket, Orangeville 0.3. Uxbridge 1.0. Ashford 0.6. Peterborough 0.8. Coburg 0.9. Belleville 0.3. Hamilton 0.2. Oakville 0.3. So Hobbs Bay line says it's gonna get some 0.6 centimeters. Solid Bay, Dunn Beach is gonna be 0.4 centimeters, 0.5 centimeters in Dunn Beach. Palm Beach is gonna get some 1.1 centimeters. Midland's gonna get some 0.457, 0.7 centimeters in Midland. Orla is gonna get some 1 centimeters. So Betty's gonna get some 1 centimeters, actually 1 centimeters. So Jorginho is gonna get some 0.7, 0.8, 0.9 is in Jorginho, Bablia is still 0.7. So let's look at Port Elgin and erase this. So 0.8, so 0.8 centimeters in Port Elgin. Hanover is gonna get some 0.8 centimeters of snowfall. Whiteton 0.8 centimeters of snowfall. So let's go to next tower, which is nothing there. Let's go to next tower, which is 7 p.m. There is nothing else. Let's go back to February 26th to compare. There is nothing else actually. So let's go to 80th hour, 108. There is nothing else. This is just twice. Double check. So let's look at air temperature pattern. So let's look at air temperature pattern. Now it's refreshed. So White minus 10, Collingwood minus 9, Brampton minus 7, Mississauga minus 6, Started under minus 6, Scarborough minus 6.5, Dover minus 7, Betrayals minus 7, Sony Market minus 8, Orangeville minus 8, Wilkes minus 7, Ashford minus 5, Peterborough minus 3, Coburg minus 1, Belleville, Hamilton minus 3, Oakville minus whatever. Start again, holding. So minus 3 is in Hamilton. Hamilton is going to be minus 4 degrees. Actually, that's Oakville, not Hamilton. So Mississauga borderline Oakville is going to be minus 6 degrees. So everywhere in Niagara Falls is minus 4 degrees. Georgia is going to get some minus 6 degrees. Beverly Isle is going to get some minus 7 degrees. Ready minus 8. Orlando is going to be minus 6 degrees. Itland's going to be minus 6 degrees. Solid Bay minus 8 degrees. Palm Beach is minus 9, including Thunder Beach. Line said Bay is going to get some minus 10 degrees. Port Elgin, Hanover is minus 10 degrees. So Port Elgin, the proper line. So let's go to London. Let's go to next tower, which is 7 a.m. 7 a.m. So Whitehall minus 17, Collingwood minus 17, Brampton minus 16, Mississauga minus 16. Down to Toronto minus 15, minus 16, minus 15, Mississauga, Scarborough minus 17.5, Stouffville minus 20, Newmarket minus 19, Orangeville minus 20, no, not 18, 18, 19. It's going to be minus 18. Uxbridge minus 21, Oshawa minus 20, Peterborough minus 22, Coburg minus 19, Belleville minus 21, Hamilton minus 12, Oakville minus 12. Oakville again is going to be minus 15 degrees. Everywhere in Niagara Falls is minus 12 degrees. Port Elgin minus 17, Ottawa minus 17, Lionshead, Bay minus 17. Palm Beach, Thunder Beach is going to be minus 19, Solid Bay minus 21. Milan's going to get some minus 22. So let's go to next tower. So Olala is going to be minus 22. Berry minus 22. Bablia is minus 21. Georgia is minus 20 degrees. So let's go to minus 21. It's going to be Georgia. So let's go to next hour. 3 p.m. White minus 9. Collingwood minus 8. Brampton minus 8. Mississauga minus 7. Minus 7. Downtown minus 8. Scarborough is going to be minus 9.5. Dover minus 11. Shawinigan minus 10, so minus 10 is wrong. Minus 8 is betrayal. 9, minus 9 is going to be Scarborough. Scarborough is actually minus 9. Newmarket minus 9. Orangeville minus 9. Uxbridge minus 12. Larkshire minus 11. Peterborough minus 13. Coburg minus 12. Belleville minus 13. Hamilton minus 5. Oakville minus 5. Mississauga is going to be minus 6. No, it's going minus 6 degrees. So everywhere in Niagara Falls minus 6.5. So Port Elgin minus 8. Hanover is going to get minus 9. Line said Bay minus 9 degrees. So Palm Beach is going to get some minus 12 degrees. So Salaby minus 12, Midland is going to be minus 12. Lilla is going to, let's do a Lilla Peropoly. Let's go to Peropoly this time. So minus 13.5 is in Lilla. Georgina is going to get some whatever. So let's go to Betty. Betty is going to get some minus 30. So minus 12 is in Betty. So Georgina is going to get some whatever. So let's go to minus 9, minus 8. So Beverly Isles minus 8. Georgina is gonna get some. So that's gonna be so full. So it's gonna be minus 11, minus 12. So Georgina is gonna be minus 12 degrees. So let's go to next hour. Oh, London. Let's go to next hour, which is 7 a.m. It could be one day wrong. So 7 a.m. White minus 4. Collingwood minus 3. Brampton minus 1. Mississauga minus 0. Delta minus 1 degree. Scarborough 1. Minus 1 is Scarborough, minus 2 is Stoffel. Richmond Hill is going to be minus 1. Newmarket minus 2. Orangeville minus 2. Uxbridge minus 2. Oshawa minus 1. Peterborough is minus 2. Coburg 1 degrees. Belleville minus 1. Hamilton. Oakville 1 degrees. Everywhere in Niagara Falls is going to get some. Port Elgin minus 3. Hanover is going to get some minus 4 degrees. Line said Obey it's going to be minus 3 degrees. Palm Beach, Thunder Beach is going to be minus 2 degrees. Solid Bay minus 3 degrees. Minus 2 Midland, Betty is minus 3 degrees. Georgina minus 3 degrees. Beverly Hills is minus 2 degrees. Lula minus 3 degrees. So Palm Beach, Thunder Beach is done. So let's go to next hour. Let's go to next hour actually. So 3 p.m. So line said Obey is gonna get some minus 3 degrees. Port Elgin minus 3 Hanover is gonna get some minus 4 degrees. Collingwood minus 4. Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Solid Beach minus 3. Midland minus 3. Olala, Georgina, Beverly Hills is very minus 3 degrees. Something's off. So Newmarket, Orangeville minus 3. Stoffel minus 3. Scarborough minus 2. Brampton minus 2. Mississauga minus 2. Delta Toronto minus 1. Scarborough. So Uxbridge minus 4. Minus 2. Oshawa, Peterborough is minus 30 degrees in Peterborough. Minus 1 Coburg, minus 1 Belleville, Hamilton minus 1 Oakville, minus 1 everywhere in Niagara Falls, minus 1 degrees, London. Let's go to next hour, which is 7 a.m. 7 a.m. 72 hours. So White minus 7, Collingwood minus 7, London minus 13, Brampton minus 7, Mississauga minus 6 is in Toronto, Scarborough minus 8, Stoffel minus 10, minus 8, Richmond Hill. Minus 8, 10 in Orangeville. Uxbridge minus 9, Dasha minus 9, Peterborough minus 7, Coburg minus 7, Belvoir minus 8. Everywhere in Niagara Falls is going to be minus 6 degrees. Hamilton minus 5 degrees. Oakville is going to get some minus 4 degrees. So minus 5 degrees. Minus 4 degrees actually in Oakville. So Port Elgin minus 6. Hanover is going to get some minus 8 degrees. Palm Beach, Thunder Beach is minus 8 degrees, so minus 8 degrees. Solid Bay minus 8, Midland's going to be minus 8 degrees. Orla's gonna get some. Orla's gonna get some minus 8 degrees. Georginia's gonna get some minus 10 degrees. Beverly Hills minus 8. Betty's gonna get some minus. Okay, let's do Betty again. Some Betty's gonna get some minus 7 degrees. So let's go to the inside OB. It's gonna get some minus 6 degrees, 7 degrees, actually minus 6.5 degrees. So let's go to next hour, which is 3 p.m. So why time -4? Boyles in Hanover -4. Line said OB is gonna be -4. Collingwood -5 degrees. Solid B -6. Midland -6. Bomb Beach, Tan Beach -6 degrees. Georginia is gonna be -5 degrees. Beverly Hills is -5 degrees. Ready -6 degrees. Orla -6 degrees. So everywhere in Niagara Falls -2 degrees. Brampton -3 degrees. This is Saga is gonna be -3 degrees. Delta 4 degrees. -4. Scarborough -4. Dover -4. Newmarket Orangewood -4 degrees. Uxbridge -5. Oshawa -4. Peterborough -5. Coburg -4. Belvoir -3. Hamilton -2. Oakland -2. Oakland again is gonna be -2 degrees, -2 degrees. So let's go to London. Let's go to next tower, which is let's go to next hour, which is 7 a.m. One is too far. Let's go back to 3 p.m. again. Double check. There is nothing to correct. Let's actually double check for Oku. Oku work hold this temperature is going to be -3 point something. So it's going to be 3.5. The warmest temperature -2. So let's go to -2. So let's go to next 24 hours, which is 7 a.m. So Whitehall -10, Collingwood -12, Brampton -14, Mississauga -10, Toronto -10, Scarborough -12 degrees, Stouffville -13, -12. No, it's gonna be -13 degrees. It's in between hell. Newmarket -12. Orange World's gonna get some -15 degrees, -14.5 degrees. So Uxbridge -7, Oshawa -10, Peterborough -16, Coburg -10, Belvoir -18. Hamilton -8, Oakland -8, Oakland again is going to be -10 degrees. Everywhere Niagara Falls is -10. No, it's going -11 degrees. So Boyalty -7 degrees. Hanover is gonna get some -10 degrees. So let's go to whatever. So Hobbs Bay -7 degrees. Line said is gonna get some -5 degrees. Solid Bay is gonna be -11 degrees. Thunder Bay is gonna get some -9 degrees. Solid Bay is done -10 actually. So Palm Beach is gonna get some -11 degrees. Actually, it's gonna be -12 degrees. It's in -11. Actually, -11. It's in Palm Beach. Palm Beach is gonna get so Betty is going to get some -14. -14 degrees in Betty, so -15 degrees actually. So -14.5 degrees in Betty. Georgia is gonna get some -11 degrees in Georgia. Beverly Hills is gonna get some -12 degrees. So let's go to -12 in Beverly Hills. So let's go to next tower, which is Mississauga. So Mississauga is already done. I already said same thing as so Mississauga is actually done. So let's go to next tower, which is 3 p.m., 4 p.m. actually. So Whitetown 1 degrees, Collingwood. No, start the whole thing again. 2 degrees Whitetown, Collingwood 1 degrees, Hamilton with 2 degrees. Boylston onward is going to be 2 degrees. Line said Obey is going to be 1 degrees. So Palm Beach, Sunny Beach 1 degree, Solid Bay 2 degrees, Midland's going to be it's going to be 2 degrees. So 2 degrees Midland, Olala, it's going to be -1, Betty -1, Georgia -1, Beverly Hills -1, Olala, let's do it again. So it's going to be -1 degrees. Newmarket -2 degrees, Orange World's going to get some -1 degrees, Uxbridge -3, Oshawa -2, Peterborough -2, Coburg -2, Belvoir -2, Stouffville -2, Scarborough it's going to be -1, Scarborough, so Brampton, Mississauga, down to 1 degrees. Chenille is going to be -1 degrees. Oakville 2 degrees. Oakville again 1 degrees. Everywhere Niagara Falls 1 degrees. London 1 degrees. So let's go to there is no next hour. So this is the end of the video. So